Good morning. We're back, and today we're gonna do a video request on replacing the spring on Mr. Iver Johnson's shotgun. Okay, this is a request from Craig Golden, and we're gonna do this. So let's get started. You can do this with a fully put together receiver with all the parts in it. So let's just pull this out right now. Here's your mainspring strut, and your mainspring tensioner. So what you'll do is to install this, you'll take a pair of channel lock part number 442 pliers, open them up all the way, pull down on your tensioner and stick a pair of needle nose pliers inside, okay? Okay, so now we take our receiver and drop this down in here like this. Pull your hammer back, and that'll release your pliers like that. Now you're all in full cock right now, just like that. So that's how you would do it. That's how the best way I've found to do it is with a pair of channel locks number 442 and needle nose pliers. Sometimes you'll have a little bit of alignment problem getting your strut and spring centered within the receiver, but you'll know when it won't work. So tell you what, let's proof this out, see if it will fire. We've got a primed hole here. Okay, we're done. I hope this has helped you, Craig, and anyone else that have to struggle with putting mainsprings back into these old shotguns like this. I know I've done a lot of it, and every time I did, I was a little bit afraid of it and had some apprehension. And because I never did really take the time to make the correct tool, or get the correct tool. And anyway, thank you for your request, and we'll see you all on our next video. Goodbye.